called Big Pin Down. I know, very creative, right? But we're using our throwing skills. So what we have here is we have the big giant inflatable bowling pins got from a store a couple years ago on clearance. Don't think they're there anymore. But instead of these, I believe US Games has like the big giant white ones. I have a set of those too that are awesome. I love them. It's a nice big target. What else you need are poly spots. So you want to do like a rainbow set color, one of every color. With these bowling pins, I don't have yellow, so I don't have yellow poly spots out. So you can do it with that, so that way it'll make sense on how to play in just a minute, but that's what I would do, have a rainbow set of spots. We have about 10 of these giant bowling pins going down the center of the gym. We are also using the foam-coated balls here that you can get through anybody, but at different sizes. We have this one, and then the next size up that they can use, so we let the kids kind of choose what fits best for their hands. In this one, we have two students partner up. Because we have a large class size, you can easily let them play on their own. I've got to tell you one other thing we need are the point cards that from my website. The shape cards that I have under my Teach Phys Ed files, free files, cross-curricular area. So we print these out. If you don't want to use these, I'm sure you can just use colors or playing cards, whatever you want. So again, we have a bucket for every different color. Okay, red, green, yellow, blue, orange, that kind of stuff. So we stand on the sidelines of the gym to do the throwing. We've talked about the critical elements and what we're looking for, making sure the kids know. We did this for kindergarten through second grade for our overhand throwing. They're going to stand on the side and they're going to make their throw. They're trying to hit the bowling pin. My ball hit the orange bowling pin. So I get my ball, I go to the orange bucket, I grab one card, and I go back. Now, if I'm playing by myself, I would start a stack, and I would make another throw. If I have a partner, I give the ball to my partner, now my partner throws, and we start our stack, because we're going to collect them together. Anytime they throw the ball, and it knocks down the bowling pin, they are going to put it back up, get their ball, and then they would take 2 playing cards. So 1, 2, and then they go back to their partner. So knocking it down is worth 2, simply touching is worth 1. Coach Pirillo! Yes? What happens when it hits 2 bowling pins? So then we tell the kids if it goes kabonk, kabonk, and hits 2 bowling pins, well, touch 2. Orange, red. What do you think you're going to do? Get orange and red. Okay, get orange and red. So they would get an orange card and a red card, and then they would go back. So we allow them, and that's up to you if you want to do that. Totally up to you. Sometimes it'll knock down a bowling pin and then jump over and touch another one. I don't let the bowling pin count. It has to be the ball. I told them. You can't have the bowling pin touch the red and get credit for it. It has to be the ball. They're like, okay. So same kind of concept. Knocked it down. They got 2 plus the 1 for touching the red. So the kids really got into it. And then at the end, to determine a winner, if you have to, we look for a different shape. We may have looked for different colors. We may have looked for a combination of the 2. However you would like to score, make it unique for yourself. Hopefully your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.